Hello and welcome to Docplexus News. Let's discuss this week's healthcare headlines that matter. The IMA has expressed strong opposition to the draft National Medical Commission bill after it was cleared by the Union Cabinet. The IMA said that NMC will cripple the functioning of medical profession by making it completely unanswerable to the bureaucracy. In this regard, IMA has appealed to the Prime Minister to rectify the flaws in the proposed bill. Even after the Rajasthan High Court's warning to doctors to resume duties, doctors have continued with their strike. The strike is taking a toll on patients' health as medical services have remained paralyzed across the state. The doctors have continued the strike because of their unfulfilled demands. Responding to a petition, the Maharashtra Sales Tax Tribunal has declared that drugs, medicines and equipment used during a treatment in a hospital is not subject to sales tax. The Sales Tax Department raised a demand of Rs 2.92 crores to a Mumbai-based hospital, including interest and penalty. The order comes as a result of the hospital's appeal against this order. The Supreme Court has ordered the Drug Technical Advisory Board to decide the fate of 349 fixed drug combinations banned by the government. This order brings relief to drug manufacturers who had protested that government did not consult drug regulatory bodies before banning these FDCs. The Drugs Controller General of India has granted permission to an Indian firm to conduct Phase 1 clinical trial on Zika vaccine. The permission comes after the Zika vaccine was shown as safe and promising by 3 Phase 1 human clinical trials. Scientists have developed an experimental drug called Ionase HTT-RX for Huntington's disease. The early-stage clinical trial has demonstrated that this drug lowered the levels of a toxic disease-causing protein. As Huntington's disease has no cure so far, this molecule has given a new hope for patients. The Kerala IMA is going to start the Trauma Rescue Initiative to help accident victims. Under this initiative, ambulance services and trauma medical centers will be networked. 10 trauma care hospitals have been included in this initiative and ambulance drivers have been given training. Alarmed due to increasing antibiotic resistance, the IMA has advised doctors to strictly follow guidelines while prescribing antibiotics. IMA said that the doctor should write the antibiotic in a box to differentiate it from other drug in prescription. IMA has asked doctors to instruct patients that there will be no refill of antibiotic prescription without doctor's signature. Taking a serious note on increasing violence against doctors, the Maharashtra Health Department has decided to train doctors in communication skills. In this regard, the Minister for Medical Education has approved a statewide movement, Susamvad Abhiyan. The government is also considering to include a module on attitude and communication in the MBBS course. 2017 has been a fabulous year for Docplexus community. Let's recap this year's journey with Docplexus community manager Mrinmay Joshi. Welcome to the studio, Mrinmay.
Thank you, Apurva.
So Mrinmay, how would you describe 2017 for our community?
Well, our Docplexus community is now more than 250,000 doctors strong. Our continued efforts at building value for the medical community and enabling knowledge sharing for better clinical outcomes has been recognized by the Royal Society of Arts. Our CEO and co-founder, Mr. Fanish Chandra, has received a fellowship from the Royal Society of Arts for his contribution to Indian healthcare. Docplexus was also awarded the CMO Asia Award in Social Media and Digital Marketing for the year 2017. And in addition, this year, Docplexus has made several knowledge partnerships with India's apex institutions like NCDC, IPHA, IML, AFPI, FOXI and GAPIO. These associations have entrusted us to thrive towards better patient outcomes. We have also received an overwhelming response for the CMEs and offerings like the Top Case Award and Outstanding Service to Humanity Award. We want to thank our community for their continued support and request everyone to share their feedback and suggestions by commenting in the comment section below.
Thank you, Mrinmay, for these insights. These were the latest happenings in the medical field brought to you by Docplexus, India's largest online community of doctors. Stay tuned for more every Thursday at 6 p.m. Wishing you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. Happy Docplexus.